Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 5B, curb return profile views. This video illustrates A. Default profile view settings, and B. Create curb return profile views. Each curb return will have its own profile view that is superimposed onto the side road profile view. The curb return profile is an extension of the side road top of curb profile from the BCR ECR. Change the default profile view settings for curb returns. In Settings tab, right-click Profile View, edit Feature Settings, expand Default Styles, Profile View Style, Curb Return 20 horizontal, 5 vertical. OK. Profile label set, profile no label set. Leave others as default. Expand default name format. Profile name template. Pick the current name. Add CR dash to the parent alignment name. Erase the dash at the end. OK. Expand stack profile view options. Stack views, no. Each curb return profile view is superimposed onto a side road stack view. Apply. OK. Create the profile view for the curb return at the southwest quadrant of 44 South. Pick the 44 South left profile view to determine the insertion point for the curb return profile view. Escape to display the home ribbon. Profile section views, profile view icon. Create profile view. Select the alignment. Curb return 44 Southwest. Profile view is curb return parent alignment. Profile view style, curb return 20 horizontal, 5 vertical left. Profile view layer, C3D profile view. Do not show stack profile views. Next, station range, user specified. 900, an even 100-foot station at a minimum distance of 30 feet prior to the BCR. Enter. End station 1100, which is an even 100 feet at a minimum distance of 30 feet beyond the ECR. Next. Profile view height, user specified. Use the same range as the side road profile view. The minimum is 400. Maximum is 500. No split profile views. Create profile view. Pick the previously determined insertion point. The profile view for the 44 Southwest curb return is shown. Create the profile view for the curb return at the northeast quadrant of 44th North. Pick the 44th North right profile view to determine the insertion point for the curb return profile view. Escape to show the home ribbon. Profile and section views panel. Select profile view icon. Create profile view. In the general tab, select the alignment. 44th Northeast. Profile view name. Leave as default. Profile view style. Curb return 20 horizontal, 5 vertical right. Profile view layers. C3D profile view. Do not show vertically stacked profiles. Next, station range, start station 900, end station 1100. Next, profile view height, user specified 400, 500. Create profile view. Pick the previously determined insertion point. The curb return profile view is shown. Repeat the previous procedures to create the profile view for all curb returns. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.